Setting up your Apple Watch Ultra 3 and connecting it to your iPhone might seem like a long process at first, especially if you're doing it for the very first time. From turning it on to pairing, signing in, and choosing your preferences, there are several steps involved that can feel a bit overwhelming if you don't know the exact order. Small things like the pairing animation, Apple ID login, or permission settings can slow you down if you're unsure what to do next. But the entire setup is actually designed to be smooth and guided, you just need to follow the flow correctly. Once everything is connected, your Apple Watch becomes a powerful extension of your iPhone, handling notifications, calls, health tracking, and much more right from your wrist. Try these. Step 1. Press and hold the side button to turn on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Step 2. Bring your iPhone close and wait for the pairing pop-up. Step 3. Tap Continue and use your iPhone camera to scan the animation on the watch. Step 4. Follow the setup steps, including signing in with your Apple ID. Step 5. Create a passcode and choose your preferred features and settings. Step 6. Wait for the sync process to complete while keeping both devices nearby.